Hi guys, the sun is in my eyes. And guess what we're up to today?
What?
We're cutting pieces of tin. One of our favorite pastimes. Unless we don't have to do it, then we're glad we don't have to do it. But we got an old building down here, the story of our lives. It's that one down there on the other side. And I've actually started the project. I had 10-foot pieces. I need 12-foot pieces. Had to cut them far enough back to get to the nailer and tuck them under. So anyway, these are to finish it up. And I got some old tin here, and I've been cutting pieces, and those are leftovers. But anyway, once we get it fitted up, we'll screw them down, and we'll have it fixed till something else comes apart.
Oh,
Right?
that sounds like a challenge.
Yeah, it just takes time. That's down there where the cat climbed the ladder, if you saw that video. He didn't go all the way up.
No.
When you were filming, but when I was down there, he climbed all the way up the ladder and was on the roof.
Wow. Maybe he'll do it again.
He might if he comes down there with us.
Well, he's eating breakfast right now. Look at him. Him and his brother sharing the bowl.
Fun.
Yep. One time they were fighting and there was like fur flying everywhere. I think, oh my goodness, I can't stop that fight. I just let them do their thing.
They don't fight as much as they used to.
Yeah, they fight less here now that we moved here.
I don't know what the difference is, but it must be something.
Yep. Oh, we get to see some sparks fly.
Here it goes. Voila!
One thing I can't stand is the smell of that. Whew! But it does wonder on metal, doesn't it? Cut that right in half. Any leftovers we can use on one of my raised beds later.
Yep, and whatever ain't suitable for anything is going to go to the scrapyard one of these days.
Yep.
Which ain't very close from here. It's not
Nope.
like just run into the scrapyard at our place in Emporia where it's just a few miles. We got to go.
200, at least an hour.
No, we go to Pica.
That's an hour.
Hour and a half or something like
yeah.
that. And whether or not there's any others around, I don't know where they're at if there is. If there was one like out at Marysville or somewhere that way, I believe I'd go that way rather than to the Pica. It'd be easier driving.
Yeah, less traffic.
Yep.
That's always good when you got a lot of crap in the back of your truck.
Trailer, whatever.
Look back there, everybody. See the cows? Let me zoom in so you can see them. See the cows? Oops. I said zoom in, so I zoom back out, huh? This is really touchy.
You can always walk that way if you want to.
There we go. Zoomed in too. See the cows. Zoom back out. Get back on the project we're on. Stop being so squirrely. You gonna go for a hike now? You walking over there?
Yep.
Okay. Want me to carry one?
Oh, I don't know, maybe. You can if you want.
Don't cut yourself.
Well, we hope not.
I'll get this and then follow you. Heavier than it looks. Now you get to see the little shed barn thingy we're fixing. He's fixing. I can't climb the ladder. I tried. One of these days I'm gonna pretend like I'm a teenager and just walk right up the ladder with no problems. Then try to see if I can get down. You can sure hear the roosters too, can't you? It's nice out today. A little muddy. The weather's nice enough to handle this kind of work. It's heavier than I thought.
It sure has firmed up a lot out here.
Yep.
Oh, it was so nasty.
Yeah. Oh, release. I wonder why I'm always breathing hard. I guess partly because I'm overweight. Okie dokie, let's watch what happens next for a little while.
Purely experimental. If it don't work, I can say I tried.
Ah!
It worked, but it didn't work.
Yeah. That's called slide. Slip and slide. Patching the roof. You want to go under it or over it?
They're not in place yet. I'm just
Oh,
upper for now.
okay.
I gotta go get my drill so I can screw them down in place. And all the stuff that goes along with it, get them like I want.
Yeah. Is that the bull?
Coming this way? No, that's a cow.
Oh. They're all happy. Look, I'm laying out there on the ground. Anyway, at least you got to see the cattle today. And a little bit of the metal we brought over so he can fix the roof. Maybe we'll show the ending product later. So, that's a ladder the cat climbed all the way to the top to get on the roof. And I couldn't do it. Isn't that sad? Don't look like it's that high. What is it? 12 foot maybe? Oh well. If you like this content, please smash the like button with the thumbs up. Right. Hope that we can get some likes on here. If not, thumbs down is just as good. At least I know someone's watching that way. Don't want to waste my time. We're going to be doing the work anyhow. Why not show it? You know what I mean? Yep. So, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. That way you can see all the things we post here on the channel. So here comes the drill. We'll sit here and we'll watch drill. Well, I'll watch him put one piece on and then we'll call it quits for this video. Like I say, Ball thinks he needs to be in the video every time. Hi, Ball. You coming to say hi to everybody? Yeah, you're going to beat Daddy, aren't you? Well, come on. Come over here and say hi to everybody. The YouTubers that watches the channel and all my friends, they like you too. Say hi. Yeah. That's my boy. We're going to watch you put one piece up.
Everybody, Milwaukee, like there's Milwaukee beer, you know, like Milwaukee's best and old Milwaukee. But anyway, I say they're full of BS about Milwaukee's best because this is Milwaukee's best.
Okay. You heard it from the guy. Ball, you can climb the ladder with Daddy if you want.
And if Milwaukee Tools wants to sponsor me, they're welcome to because
Don't fall. Don't need no accidents. Ball,
Well,
go help Daddy up the ladder.
yeah, I could put all my tin up there, but it ain't gonna stay with the crap. I think I'm just gonna do it one at a time.
Okay. Well, we're just going to watch you do one. Hope that ladder don't break. Scary.
Hey, Brother Ball, come up with me.
Ball, help Daddy up the ladder. Go on up there, honey. You're just going to roll around in the mud. Oh, he made it up there. Still scary. Don't fall, please. I hope he don't fall.
You'll have to see if you can figure out how to put this in fast motion.
Huh.
You know?
Yeah, I'm still experimenting on my editing.
What?
I'm still experimenting on editing, so I can give it a try.
Well, I'm still experimenting on roofing.
Yeah, as long as you don't fall. As long as it covers the holes, I don't care. Ball, you want to climb the ladder and help Daddy?
Oh, guys, I got a joke for you. Why do roofers listen to 97.7 The Dog?
Well, why do roofers listen to 97.7 The Dog?
Because they're roofers.
Roof! Roof! Roofers. That's cool.
For you guys that don't know what 97.7 The Dog is, it's a station, it's a radio station from around Emporia that plays older rock music.
Oh.
I've had that joke for a long time.
Hope it don't fall. I know I'm just standing here on the ground holding the camera, but this is very nerve-wracking for me because I don't want him to get hurt. Not that he's going to.
This sucks.
Yeah. That's what I heard. He said the roof needs fixed really bad, but we don't want to pay for it, so someone's got to do it, and I can't get up there, so he's doing it. I should have took something for my anxiety before coming out here. Please don't fall. Oops. Whoa, don't lose the drill. I'd rather it to fall than you, though. I see that. Whoops. I think there's one that's on the ground, too. What do you think?
Sometimes these are hard to start.
Yeah, because there's no hole. Did it go in? Looks like it did.
I got it.
Well, I'm going to say ta-ta on this video. We got one screw in and it looks a lot sturdier than it did when he started. And
Whole experiment
yeah,
for me.
well, it don't need to be perfect as long as it keeps the weather off the wood and the roof gets protected. That's what matters.
It's bound to be better than what we had, which was nothing in this area.
Yep. Hey, Bill. You coming over here to say hi to everybody? You want to end the video for us? Huh?
He says, yes, I do. Be sure to like and subscribe.
You going over to see your brother? He's right over there. He thinks he's a cow. Yeah. Anyway, like and subscribe. Share with the people on your social media channels. And we'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Ta-ta.